Okay, here we are in the desktop version of OneNote. This is the class that student is from, and a teacher can come along and select their folder, and sure enough, here we are. So I'm in the right folder here, OneNote Maths Tests, and you can see that this was done by Matthew at 6 PM on the 22nd of the 3rd. So there's my handwriting, there's the photo that was taken. This is now just an ordinary image file which I can extend the size of or whatever. And if you're lucky enough to have a laptop that you can draw on, a teacher could mark your work. Of course they can still do all the other things in OneNote. Here's some typing, and they could insert spreadsheets and printouts, all sorts of things, screen clippings, but it's really important that it's on the right page, and I'll show you why now by clicking this button here, Class Notebook. So all of us teachers have this class notebook, and our OneNotes attached to our teams are part of class notebooks. So if a teacher was to review student work, which you can see over here, then they get a list of all the folders that all the students share. So I'm going to select something different here because this is a folder that my students have all worked in. So I could now look at a list of pages here. So this Algebra 1A to 1E is in all the student folders in the mini assessment results. So then there's a list of all the possible students I could look at. So I could look at what Magnus has done, or Maya has done, Nicholas, and Vandana, etc., etc. Okay, so it is really important that we stick to some sort of protocol on what pages we're using. Alright, so good luck with that. Don't forget about the settings, the camera is in there, page protocols, etc., etc. Alright, thank you.